whatever the statement has been made by the Honorable Home Ministers, it is what to say, whatever he said, it is not in the field. It is not practicable. It is not applied in the state of Manipur. So he has stated many times in different resolving this situation. But that is not there, that is not effective in the state of Manipur. We are in a very painful stage there. Things are very painful. Center has already, it is totally neglected the issues of Manipur. It's just like a forgotten state of India. And Manipur is totally neglected by these prime ministers, home ministers, and even the chief ministers of Manipur. He is not doing what is responsible in this state.
Do you think that any investigation will help
I don't think so, because already under the direction of the Supreme Court, there are a lot of investigations are there. The NI investigation is also the same, that there will be no effective, because we are experiencing for the 18 months turmoil situation in the state. So that whatever the statement, whatever the inquiry, whatsoever the NIA, that is not effective in the state, because the strong government is not there, the responsible government is not there in the state. That is why this is not effective at all, whatever it is.
And sir, the NPP has taken a stand. So do you demand that the current situation should be looked into by the speaker of the Manipur Assembly also?
Yeah, this is the move of the NPP, that is within their NDA alliance. So there is no political move. Our idea is to end the violence there, the turmoil situation in Manipur. So there is no any intentions of political move from our side.
And last question, so what are the demands of the Congress party to end this issue of Manipur to discuss?
Yes, that is very good. So our demand is to end the violence, to stop the crossfiring, killing each other. So we demand prime ministers to intervene the matter directly, not through home ministers. And if he is intervening the present situation, it can stop immediately. This is the expectation of the entire people of Manipur. So prime minister should visit or meet all the delegates of the political parties, even the chief ministers of Manipur. He didn't meet after this violence. So he should meet the leaders of Manipur and also the different delegates of the political parties there in the state of Manipur.